In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make 6 pieces skirt or school skirt. I'm going to teach you how to measure, cut, and sew, but we are going to start with measuring and cutting. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, comment, like, and share to be able to see more training videos. Skirt will have 6 pieces, 2 side pockets, belt, zip, and button. Start by measuring the full length, which is 24. Measure the waist, which is 31. Measure the hips, which is 39.5. By start drafting a skirt, a cloth or fabric should be 1 meter, which is 40 inches for the length, and 58 inches for the width. Then fold the cloth by 4 times. We said that the length is 24, waist 31, and hips 39.5. Measure the length 24 inches on the cloth and don't add the sewing allowance because we shall put a waist belt. Measure the same both sides. Then draw a straight line on the full length. After that, we cut. On the waist, we're going to subtract 12 inches from 31 inches of the waist. Those 12 inches are for the 2 middle parts, middle front and middle back, of the skirt. After subtract 12 inches from 31 equals 19 inches. These 19 inches are for the 4 side parts of the skirt. So, on the middle parts, front middle and back middle, we are going to divide 12 inches by 4 times, which equals to 3 inches plus ½ inch for sewing allowance. On the other side downwards, divide 19 inches by 4 times, which equals to 4 3/4 plus 1 inch, for sewing allowance, which makes 5 3/4 to get 4 side parts of the skirt. Draw a sliding line from the mark of 3.5 inches of the two middle parts to the mark of 5 3/4 inches of the four side parts. After drawing that line, measure 7 inches from upwards on the waist going downwards in the hips, and mark there 7 inches for hips line. Do the same on side parts from downwards to upwards in the hips line. Draw a slight line from the hips line of the middle parts to downwards, leaving a small space depending on her size. Do the same on the four side parts. Then we are going to cut passing on these lines. If the sizes are small than this skirt, you can reduce the width of the cloth. Then start cutting. So these are two middle parts we have been talking about, and these are four side parts. Don't forget to mark the inside of the cloth. So we are going to draft pockets. The length of the pocket, we cut 11 inches. We trace the side part on the straight edge to the cloth to get the pockets. Again, measure 11 inches, draw a straight line, and cut the length of the pockets. After tracing, cut passing on the side part. Again, measure 11 inches. Draw a straight line and cut the length of the pockets. So these are two pieces of the front pockets. Now we are going to cut the pocket holes, measure 2.5 inches on the width and 6 inches for the length depending on the size. Then cut the pocket holes. Then we are going to cut pocket hole facings, trace pockets to the cloth, and cut pocket facings. So these are facings of the pockets. This is how we are going to join them. One big part in the middle of the front parts, one small part on the other side, and another one small part on the other side. Do the same on the back parts. Now we are going to cut a waist belt. You need to first make a level on the cloth. After leveling, measure 7 inches the length to make it double without stiff. Measure the width or waist 31 inches plus 6 inches for the seam and button allowance. Then cut the belt. Thank you for watching the video of how to measure, draft, and cut a 6-piece skirt, school skirt. In the next video, learn how to join parts using sewing machine till the skirt is finished. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share to be able to see the next video and other training videos.